Linus Tech Tips sent me the screwdriver. No, not the drink. Here it is. I don't have any cool case sponsors, but I do have this case, so this will do the job. No flex, no RGB, no glamour shots. This will be a real-world repair using the LTT screwdriver. For full transparency, I pre-tore down this computer case before I had the LTT screwdriver to show you how to put it all the way together. It doesn't have the power button in it, but we'll get it put back together. I was planning on spray painting the case, but decided not to. Anyways, I've got the screwdriver. Now, let's put this thing together. First, starting out with the power supply. This is the real-world test to see if the LTT screwdriver can do this while I put the power supply in. Steel on steel, metal on metal, deep threads, everything. We'll get it put together. Perfect. We'll put in the case fans so we can save our wrists with this LTT screwdriver. Or I put it in the wrong spot, so we'll unscrew it. Luckily, we have this screwdriver, and it's really easy to take these screws in and out. This is the endurance test to see if I can put the cases in, or case fans in a matter of minutes. Quick thing. If you like repair builds or phone repairs or anything tech, subscribe to my channel. I have hundreds of videos. This one isn't as destructive as some of my other ones, so check out my fun videos. I gotta put the power button back in. I may have to take out the fans to do that. Fan is in the way. Okay, working. There, put the span back in. Or favor the case again. Voila. Now it's time to put the motherboard in. So we will lay down the case flat, just like Linus told us to do. And then we'll put this fan in flat. And put in this motherboard. And then grab our screwdriver, LTT screwdriver, so then we can screw in the motherboard screws. It's nice that it is long and skinny, So I'll reach in places that I normally wouldn't reach. One day, once I have enough subscribers, I'll have my own studio, but for now, just have to build computers in this loud place where you can hear every single thing. You hear the heater going or whatever. But now we got to do the part that the LTT screwdriver can't do. Plug everything in.
Said I will find you, but it's not the time to make a mistake. You're calling out the name, I'm falling down again. You're calling out the name.
Now for the hard part, the stupid power cables. Got to get them in. Otherwise, you have to start it with a screwdriver. It's to read it. To the scribes. So crap. Gosh, this is like fighting the summer. Let's see if it turns on. Yeah, the LTT screwdriver built this in less than an hour. Or at least an hour. Final thoughts on the LTT screwdriver? It feels solid, balanced, and actually useful. Is it overkill? Maybe. Do I like it? Yeah, I do.
It's your